As a teenager working for my grandfather, I often heard people ask him, "Mr. Cavness, can you make this or can you make that?" His answer was always the same. "I can make anything except a baby, and I used to be able to do that." Well, the same goes for me, except, well, my boys are still swimming, and I'm not talking about my sons at the pool. Anyway, it brings me to this problem that we have here. All the baseboard heater covers are missing. So there's two options. Either we remove all the baseboard and replace it, which would be very expensive, or find an alternative solution to cover the existing baseboard. Of course, to a carpenter, everything could be resolved with wood and nails. So I came up with a solution because I built radiator covers for bigger radiators. So I figured I'd take that model and scale it down and see what we come up with.